how did you find the first Sound Night?
Yeah, I thought it was really good actually. So I did a set of covers, just like Coldplay and Big Boxes and some of my favourite bands. And I did a set of my own songs. Actually, like the worship songs, like some of which were in church, some of which are more kind of performance based. And actually, I really found that doing those worship songs, just people seem to engage a lot more. And it was kind of fun to kind of engage people and bring them in. We recorded a video for a song that we're releasing called Everlasting Joy, and it was great just to have the sound of the cluster and all the guests being part of that. It's brilliant.
I thought it was really nice because it was sort of like we were hearing them as they were written rather than with the big bands like we do at church.
So we just kind of were sat in a coffee shop one day and just thinking about what we wanted to do, and we just realised that we all love music, and as a group of people we're just about putting music on and creativity and putting events that allow people to be creative and to talk about faith and about Jesus and about God. And the reason we do this is because we love Jesus as a community. We want to see his name lifted higher in places. And like in Tampa today, we had 67 people come, and it was just brilliant. Half of them don't know Jesus, and it was just great to see them shouting and singing songs about Jesus, whether they knew or not. It was just brilliant to see. So thanks, Nick.
Yeah, it was great. Thank you.
Yeah.